For all I know, when I'm talking to you guys might not even exist. If this is a real simulation, I would say that the simulation would want to save resources so it wouldn't generate anything that I'm not seeing. So if I'm in my room, outside of this room, perhaps nothing exists in the entire planet. Maybe I'm the only entity in this entire planet. Maybe this room is the only room that's been rendered in this entire universe at this moment. You know, it goes back to those experiments they did with the double slit experiment. You guys ever heard of the double slit experiments? Where they shine photons through photons through a space that has two slits, and when the scientists are observing it, it behaves as a wave, but when they're not observing it, it behaves as rays. It's called the observer effect. And I've always thought, like, how do you know that that observer effect doesn't apply to everything in this entire in our entire existence? For all you know, if I'm looking at this water right now, I see water as a solid, but the electrons, the particles that create the water might not even be rendered. They might only get rendered when you look at it through a microscope. The problem is that when you start thinking like that, it's very easy for you to lose control of your thoughts, bro. You could like lose your mind. If you really start thinking deeply about every single thing going on around you, you could literally lose your mind.